Hello! In this video, I will walk you through some exam tips and guidelines for Exam 101 of the LPIC 1 certification for Linux administrators. We are planning to create more content regarding Linux certifications. Let us know in the comment section below what type of content would interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get notified of all new tutorials and content we upload. But enough talk, let's start with the tips. This examination is not easy, mainly because Windows have dominated the operating system's battleground till now and users are not familiar with Linux. To make the exam process a bit easier, we have gathered a few tips and guidelines for you. Let me walk you through all of them. You should be very familiar with the use of the man documentation system. Try to always have a look at the man page of each command or software you are using. This way you will have a more complete image for each command. Do not confuse similar named commands. For example, commands such as du and df. The one summarizes disk usage of each file and the other gives us the disk space usage of a file system. Commands ln or nl. The first creates links to files and folders, and the second adds numbers to each line of a file. You have to know as much as you can about the environment variables. For example, you have to know how can they be exported from a cell to a subcell. You have to know that the variable can never be exported to a parent cell. You must know the differences between soft and hard links. The soft links are also called symbolic links. A soft link is another name for a file. It does not contain the data of the target file. It can be in different file system than the target file. It can be created for both files and folders. If the target file is deleted, the soft link becomes useless. Hard links, on the other hand, can be only created for files. Changes to the data of the original file will reflect to the hard link. Renaming the original file will not affect the hard link. Hard links are only valid within the same partition and file system as they depend on the index node number. Read about regular expressions and practice on them. Be sure that you can distinguish cases such as the beginning of a line and the not operator. Familiarize yourself with the use of wildcards. These characters are behaving differently when used in the shell and when used in regular expressions. For example, the command lszi asterisk will list all files starting with the letters zi. The command history grep zi asterisk will show all history entries that contain a sequence of letters which start with zend and contain 0 or more consecutive I letters. For more detailed information, you can open the following man page, man7glob. You should be able to manage your file system. You should be able to distinguish the difference between absolute and relative paths and be able to navigate in the file system folders. You should make sure you know how to use the cd command in order to go to the parent folder, the previous folder, your home folder, and etc. You should be familiar with creating, copying, moving, and deleting files and folders. Keep in mind that the recursive operations are very popular in the exams. Another popular topic in the exam is to change groups, owners, and permissions in folders and files. Make sure that you can use the chgroup chown, chmod, and unmask commands. In the exams, you may be asked to decide which folders you should back up and which you do not need to back up. The following folders should be backed up as often as possible to avoid data loss: the home folder, the etc folder, and the var folder. You are not required to back up folders such as the temporary files directory, the process-related files, or the device-related files. The V-editor is a beloved exam topic. You should at least know how to open, save and close a file, how to move inside the document, how to cut, copy, paste and delete text, how to cut, copy, paste and delete one or more lines, search text, open a file and go directly to a line, and open a file and go directly to the first occurrence of a word. Package managers are equally important. You must be absolutely familiar with all package managers as they possibly will be seen in the questions of the exam. Memorize the options and spelling for each package manager. Pay attention to letter case. Do not confuse the R option. dpkg using the R option is used to recursively find all Debian packages. RPM using the R option is used to list required packages. The RPM I option is the switch for installing a package. If the I switch is combined with the Q switch, it becomes a query and displays the package information instead. Know the difference between apt-update, apt-upgrade, yum-update. Make two virtual machines, one with a Debian-based distribution and one with Red Hat-based distribution, and practice on the package managers and their options as much as you can. And for some general tips, one of the most important files in Linux is the etc fstab file. You should be able to read it, understand it, and use it. For most daemons, a small d was appended to the name. In the case of sysvinit, this is not true. Be sure to remember that files preceded by a period are hidden files. The files .profile, .basrc, .bas_logout and .bas_profile are located in the user home folders. You should know these files well. They are specific for each user. Pay attention to the question instructions. Your answer can be considered as incorrect if you use options or parameters that are not required. This concludes our list of guidelines. Best of luck to the exam. I hope you found our assortment of tips interesting. If you believe there is something missing from the list, let us know in the comment section below. We have courses for both 101 and 102 exams for the LPIC1 certification. You can find links for them in the description below. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for all the content we upload. Till the next video, keep learning.